Hi, I'm Afrin Fatma from Telangana State, Hyderabad, and I'm with Chams.
I am Gopal Krishnadi. I am from Prakasham district, Andhra Pradesh. I am with Chams.
I am Gausia Parveen. I am from Delhi and I am with Jams.
I am G. Harkrishna. I am from Karnool district, Andhra Pradesh. I am with Chams.
I'm Khushi Vais from Telangana, Hyderabad, and I am with Chams.
I am Chris George from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I am with Chams.
Hello, I am Ariba Aziz. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I am studying with Chams.
Myself Farina Trides. I am from Karnataka. I am with Chams.
I am Ridula. I am from Nature District, Telangana. I am with Chams.
I am Rishi Krishnan from Tamil Nadu and I am with Chams CA Academy.
I am Pallavi. I am from Vikarabad district, Telangana. I am with Chams.
Hello everyone, I am Varshini. I am from Karnool, Andhra Pradesh. I am with Chams.
Myself Viresh from Karnataka. I am with Chams.
I am Prachi. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I am with Chams.
Hello, I'm Kisun Lama. I am from Arunachal Pradesh and I am with Chams.
I am Praveen. I am from Hyderabad. I am with Chams.
Hi, I'm Sanyan Subnani. I am from Karnataka. I am with Chams.
I am Roshan. I am from Tamil Nadu and I am with Chams.
I am Kirti. I am from Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh. I am with Chams.
I am Saikiran from Nalgonda district, Telangana, and I am with Chams.
Hello everyone, I am Sustika Reddy. I am from Karnataka. I am with Chams.
I am Mohammad Al-Hassan from Nizamabad district, Telangana, and I am with Chams.
I am Tisha. I am from Gujarat. I am with Chams.
Hi, I am Sona George. I am from Kerala. I am with Chams.
I am Vaishnavi. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I am with Chams.